So this is a pile of a whole chicken breast shredded, boiled and shredded, for example. So here is my other pieces that I just boiled in salt water, shredded, and I'm gonna add that to this bowl of just grossly chopped white onion. And so it looks like this, and this is ready to be poured on a homemade country style bread with a layer of mayonnaise, or put in omelette like I will do in 5 minutes. So here we have a small pan with a bit of olive oil waiting to heat up. Here I have my eggs beaten. Here I have my mix of chicken and onion. Here I have mozzarella, and it's gonna be one motherfucking awesome omelette. Catch you on the flip side. So I have covered this just a little to facilitate the cooking of the underlayer, so making sure that it's gonna be like thick and less liquidy, as you can see here. I'm also gonna reduce this to about 3, just to like a slow and steady cooking before I add the other ingredients. So at this point I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this onion and chicken mix, as you know. It's hard to cook with a camera in your hand. And now I'm gonna add a hefty hand cheese, just to cover this nicely. Reduce again, cover again, and then we're gonna flip this, and it's gonna be a bit of a mess and complicated, but you can do it. And it has been successfully flipped. We're gonna cover this on fairly low and just let cook a minute, not even. Normally I would say trust your instinct, but you can also just use a spatula and like peek underneath and see how it's going on the other side. Flip it over to cook this side a little more. Actually, I'm gonna try and fail miserably. Also, it's like super cheesy on the other end, so you will have this cheesy mess. Boom! And as you can see, it's pretty much cooked. I'm just gonna re-rotate again and cook this side a little more to be on the safer side. And so here it is, omelette with what the hell is wrong with my words today? Onion and chicken, shredded chicken and onion omelette with homemade bread. And I assure you, this thing is a sin and a half. Delicious stuff.